Welcome, YouTubers. The Good Life 777 is back. We got a 2013 ML63 with 130,000 miles on it. This is a Mercedes. Well kept. As you can see, we're doing a full ceramic coat on it. You can see what the pads look like right here. That's just one of the pads. We went through two of them already, and we're on a third right now. You can see how the paint is starting to come up. Here's another pad that we're using right here. Being used every day as a daily driver. This is the second time it's been done in 4 years. And I'm very satisfied. We're using new materials right now. I believe it's called the Blackfire. We're using the ceramic coat. And we're just applying the polish right now. And you can see everything starting to come up nice. There is no ceramic coat on here right now. When that's applied, that's another process. This is one of the compounds that we use, Blackfire. We like it, we use it, and it actually comes out really nice. And mind you, that's before we actually put the ceramic on. As you can see, the products we're using the Blackfire. I like these products, they work. And the whole line of products from Blackfire actually work very well. So I'll follow up with you on the next step. Click the subscribe button on the channel. So it's this little bottle right here, the Blackfire Pro Ceramic Paint Coating, Black Edition. This is what makes or breaks the whole job. You lightly apply it, it's like magic when it goes on. That's what you want to see, and that's what you want to pay for. Right now we're applying the ceramic coat, the Blackfire ceramic. So what we're looking at here is we're seeing sweat bubbles. Once you see sweat bubbles on the paint, that's when you start removing and wiping down the ceramic coat. These are things that we're learning with different applications of different products. Everyone has their own. You can't see it, but you'll see when everything is all cleaned up. So you see that like button? Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we can do a lot more. As you can see, we're busy over here. The ceramic coat has been applied. It's incredible what a ceramic coating can do. I got one side baking in the sun right now. In about a half an hour, I'm going to take this around. I'm going to turn the car around so the other side can bake. The application, once the ceramic coat goes on, lasts for about a good 4 or 5 years. And you boost it every 6 months, which is very simple. Make sure you get a good booster. Alright, so click like and subscribe to our channel, The Good Life 777. I will see you on the channel.